Hello friends and welcome back. I've got a quick and easy fix for a broken paintbrush today. One of my paintbrushes came apart and I really still love the paintbrush and the bristles, and so I decided that I wanted to fix this one, and the easiest way to do it is with some clear Gorilla Glue. Now I really recommend using the clear version in this one. The original version will expand and, kind of get too messy. So you just put it all over and then put it in tight into the head and wipe up the excess that comes out, and then just make sure that you really stick it tight into the metal portion, or it could be plastic if you have a plastic one, and then just keep easing it in until it feels really tight and you get a good bond, and wipe up the excess glue as you go. I kind of don't scrimp on the glue when I first put it on, just because it needs a nice contact on all sides. And there you have it, a super quick and simple, easy way to fix a paintbrush. Thanks for watching.